Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and His Son Yahushua Mashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo. Today is the 21st of August 2024. It's 1:21 p.m. Eastern Time, and right now I'm sharing my Bookmap screen in Discord, and I'm actually just practicing some scalping on ES. So right now this is like a 15-second time frame of Bookmap. So I'm going into the minutia to see exactly where I want to take these scalps, right? And it's the same process, looking for exhaustion on the ask for sellers, and same market structure, but it's just a little quicker. And let's see here, my short is at 56.34, and this is paper trading, so I'm just trying to practice scalping. I don't really scalp, it's not really my thing, so I just want to practice it a little bit. So right now I think I should exit this trade, but there's some liquidity providing resistance, so I'm going to stay in this trade here. Again, the entry point is 56.34.44. That's the break-even point. I have this resistance liquidity right here. My stop is at value area high at 56.3650. And let's see here. Let's see if this resistance is, this liquidity on the offer is going to provide resistance. So it's absorbing those buyers right there, small buyers. They're still in there. They're kind of pulling some liquidity though. It was 190.92, now it's down to 166. We just got some interaction there. All right, so it's looking like they're okay. I thought they were gonna break out right there. So looking for buyers coming back up here again. All right, we have this iceberg transacting. So that's sorry. So that's enforcing the short trade, pressing on price from the top on the offer. So no buyers willing to take on that iceberg right there. Immediate selling, more selling coming in. And we're paper trading 10 contracts. So right now it's when we come down to this level, it's about 300 in profit around this level. So pulling back to break even now. All right, not seeing anything really threatening this trade on the long side, but waiting to see if buyers are going to come back in. We're basically retesting this breakdown level. So let me just pull it back in a little bit. This is going to be a 30-second interval here between these lines. But I'm going to go back down to the 15-second. I just wanted to show. All right, so we have buyers coming back in here, retesting the breakdown of this structure. So let's go back down to 15 seconds and see what's happening here, if there's any follow through. We still have the iceberg. The iceberg finished executing 227. Looking to see if buyers are going to come in here at my break-even point. We have sellers, not much sellers though. Right, still auctioning here. We're looking like we're getting more sellers in here a little bit. Kind of even, but more sellers. The green line is my break-even point. The red line is the offer. The green line is the bid. All right, so we have some initiative buyers taking on the offer right there. See, they hit the red line. And this one here is just last price between the ask and the bid. So the white line is usually between the ask and the bid. So last price just hit the offer as well. So it's looking like some buyers coming in here. Let's see if we get any sellers rejecting this price, because this level is basically a breakdown level. So I basically took like a breakdown of a structure there. All right, not really seeing too much sellers coming in though. I don't like that. Nobody really supporting the trade to the downside right now. I'm starting to see buyers trying to come back up to these liquidities here on the offer. 56.36, and we have one here at 56.35.25. I'm thinking about getting out here at break even, but I don't want to spoil the entry. I think we're gonna get a breakdown move here to let's see what this is. This is the RTH VWAP. So we're above VWAP. Buyers may come in. So I'm trying to at least get back down to VWAP. That would be 34 to 32. 34.50 to 32. Let's see. Roughly 32. All right. Thinking about closing this trade. I see they're pulling liquidity here. Probably giving it some room to push up. If I see any buyers around this level here again at 56.35.25, I'm gonna take this trade off. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do it like this so that it definitely stops me out at this level. All right, so they're pushing up on my stop. Somebody is looking like they're trying to defend this level here at 56.35.25. So someone is selling here. I don't know how powerful they are though. They're not really pushing down to VWAP. All right, starting to see some sellers hitting the bid. We just hit the bid there, best bid. We just hit the last price. We got some bids here. Right, hitting the bid. All right, these guys came back on the ask. Some big buyers. Okay. And as big buyers subjective to the time frame I'm in right now. So these are just 15-second intervals. All right, looking like a seller is starting to defend lower. That's looking good. I want this liquidity to step down a little more, so I can leave my stop up here and get some defense from some offer liquidity up here. No continuation to the downside. We gotta break these levels here at 56.33.45. I'm seeing selling bubbles, but no movement. All right, so I think I'm gonna flatten this trade right here, because we're definitely gonna come back here and test this liquidity. All right, so they flipped. And let's take a buy here, because we had a lot of accumulation here. Sellers tried to defend. We have a break above, break back into the structure. We have this liquidity here supporting price. They flipped, big buyers coming in. So let's see if we could take a break above value area high. We're above VWAP, so let's see if buyers are serious. And my stop isn't really below structure right now. All right, this iceberg is selling here again. All right, 5 icebergs sold. All right, buyers are regaining ground, but not too much volume. This was the last big volume right there. Small buying, small buying. We have some sellers at last price. I'm looking for some buyers up here at value area high. I just want to take off the market pulse for a second because sometimes just the input from the market pulse, I think it kind of cracks up my voice a little bit. So I'm gonna take off the market pulse for now. We're just gonna deal with order flow. I'm not gonna look for any volume from that. What I will do is actually put on the stops on iceberg on the sub chart so we can see that there. So we kind of almost came back to my stop there. We got some buyers here again. Looking for buyers at value area high 56.3650. And we have movement to the upside, but big selling. We have an iceberg buyer supporting price right now, so it's looking like a buyer tried to go up there and then some big sellers tried to kind of cap him down. So that turned into a sell bubble. All right, so buyers again turning into sellers. Yeah, it's looking like somebody's capping price up here at value area high. All right, so I'm gonna take this stop out here. Let's see if we're turning around. Right now we're in a little range, kind of like I guess it's a bull flag kind of range right now. This is the middle of the range, and this is mid price here. Small buyers trying to recover, but I think they're gonna get overwhelmed. So probably gonna get stopped out on the scalp as well. No need to take the full stop. We could flatten that right now. Can't close position. Bookmap did not receive update for previously sent market order. I wonder why. Hmm, that was strange. All right, let's see if we get buyers here. It's kind of like at the bottom of the range, bottom of this bull flag that's developing in the ES right now. So let's see if we're gonna get a breakdown of this range and a retest. And still gotta remember that this is VWAP right here. So probably wouldn't want to take a short right there at VWAP. Probably a breakdown and retest of VWAP. I'm seeing buyers trying a little reversal here. I was too late right there. That was a nice little retest after the break above the mid to go long. I was gonna hit long right there, but I was too late. And this one I want to follow through real quick. I don't want to wait here for this trade to follow through too much. I want to see buyers up here again at value area high. So let's get the continuation breakout now. Probably gonna try and get this up to 56.38.75. All right, a little pullback right now, low volume pullback. Let's see if we get buyers right here again, take us above value area high. All right, that's what I want to see right now. Didn't want to see this iceberg try to cap down price though. So let's see buyers again. They executed 125. Let's see if buyers could take it up again. I'm ready to get out of this trade just off of this right here. I need to see buyers react to this iceberg seller right now. All right, gonna put my stop to there, just above break even. If it stops me out and we get the breakout above value area high, I'll jump in again at value area high. So let me keep my hand on the trigger. All right, iceberg trying to support price right there. All right, came back, stopped me out. So what I'm looking for now is buyers to jump back above here, to come in at 56.36.50 at value area high, and I'll jump in here. We have the iceberg supporting right now. We have these guys trying to press down on the offer. Gonna keep my hand on the trigger here. All right, so we're coming back to the base of the range. If we do come back to the base of the range, I might take a buy. All right, seeing some buyers coming in here. Let's see if they're gonna hit the ask again. Not too strong, just a little buying. All right, that's what I want to see. All right, going long right here. Gonna take a stop out right here if they pull back. So little retest of this level. Let's see buyers again. Because this could be a breakdown, retest, and then a short, or it could be coming back here, small retest, and go long. It's not looking like a small retest right now. Looking like sellers want to come back. All right, buyers coming in. Oh, no. Man, scalping ain't easy, man. But if you're scalping, I think Bookmap is probably the best thing to use if you're scalping, because you really get to see the level two and how prices is interacting with the liquidity. All right, so stopped out again. Let's see, we're coming down to the bottom of the range. Let's see if we get big sellers or, all right, big sellers, small retest, and we go in short. We're not looking to pull back here to overnight high. We're trying to get a short down to 56.31. Come on, no retest, no retest. Small retest, exhaustion on the ask. Small buyers, come on, let's sell. Don't come back here to retest. I think I gotta, for the market structure, I gotta wait for the retest here of this breakdown. Once we start selling again, I could move my stop back down to above the structure. That's why I really don't like scalping. Look at this. Because you're really in the minutia right now. It says buy orders, sell orders, HFTs going off, buying and selling. So it's tricky. Damn, like I'm only getting stopped out on these moves here. So we're retesting the lows of this structure. We keep retesting the lows of this structure, coming back to the mid of it. Let's see if we get buyers above the mid. No sellers on the retest here. No sellers. All right. So I'm gonna go long right there. Put my stop below the structure right here at this low. And let's see if we get buyers back up to value area high. And again, this is my style of trading, but just practicing it out. A lot of people scalp, so I was never really into scalping. I like to get nice big moves of 10 points or better. So These are what, like 34 to 36, just a 2 point move. So I'm gonna add to the position here. We have buyers, add into the position. I wanna move my stop up. Move my stop up to here. We're not supposed to pull back anymore. All right, that's too tight. That's 10 seconds. Let's go to, all right, the 15 second is good. Come on, sellers, where y'all going, man? We had nice buying activity right here. Come on, let's get the buyers here. Heavy liquidity on the offer though, so maybe they're running away from this. All right, gonna take profit right there. And now let's see what's gonna happen now. All right, we have supported liquidity. Let's see if we're gonna get the buyers again at value area high, get the breakout. Liquidity looking like it's pulling off of the offer, add into the bid. Wanna take a breakout right here. Gotta look out for a retest of this level though. 56, 35, 54. Let's see, we're not getting any retests. No buyers yet. All right, so 56, where is it? So right here, 56, 35, 54, right? That was the retest. And what we got, buyers. All right, I'm gonna take that. We had the swing low here on the retest, 56, 35, 25. We're getting the breakout, trying to get to maybe this VWAP right here, +1 from the Euro session. We have heavy liquidity right just not really liking that sweep right there with no follow through. That was a stop run. The way they swept the book right there. All those green numbers right there is where they swept the book to the upside. So I want to see real buyers coming in here again. Coming back to break even. And we're getting support or what? Support buyers at value area high. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, we're getting some pop up. Nothing too big. Should I stay in? Yes. No, getting some exhaustion. Come on, buyers, take it back up. We have this monthly Camarilla R3 to contend with as well. And gonna let's see. Come on, buyers, take it up, take it up. All right, all right. More buyers. Okay, good, good, good. All right, we got the resistance right there. Damn, I was thinking about taking profit right there, but all right. Low volume pullback. Come on, we gotta take out this guy here at 56.38. Nice, nice. All right, let's take on this guy here at monthly POC, 56.39. And yeah, we're going for it. All right. Damn it. Was supposed to take profit right there, but it pulled back on me. My damn internet is too slow, man. Because I did hit that flatten button right there as soon as it popped up. All right, so low volume pullback. We got buyers in the pullback as well. Retest of value area high. Let's see where we're monthly CAM R3. Let's see any heavy sellers. No heavy sellers in sight. Gonna take that reversal right there. We're gonna jump out if it does. All right, let's stay below value area high for now. Let's see what's happening here. No follow through on the sellers. That's not good. I mean on the buyers. On the buy side. Come on. All right. We gotta get this guy up here. We gotta get Camaria R4. So let me keep my finger on the trigger. Too much selling. Wanna get out right there. Come on, this ain't move, bro. Okay, well, it's a good thing it didn't move, so didn't take me out yet. We got buyers coming in right now. All right, so stop me out at break even. Coming back to retest value area high, we have sellers trying to take control here. Buyers at monthly cam R3. Sellers coming back in again. All right, we have a little fight right here at Camaria R3, monthly Camaria R3. See, that's all the buyer's gonna get. We're not gonna get to Camaria R4. Too much sellers coming in play now. Thinking about taking a value area high breakdown if this selling continues. You see, there's no buyers on the offer. All right, sellers taking control. Buyers got to step back in right now. All this selling on the no buyers on the offer, right? So they're coming back in. Let's see if I get a little retest here. All right, retest. Let me switch this over. And I have a little delay right now with the execution. All right, these guys trying to provide resistance on the offer. Let's see if we have buyers here at monthly Camaria R3. We did have buyers right here, but sellers looking like they're trying to take over again. All right, we're gonna get some stop runs now. Should. These guys ain't serious. They're pulling their orders. Oh man, looking like sellers. Let's see if this could be a little spring. See if we get some buyers right here. All right, we're getting some buyers right there. Gotta get some buyers here as well. All right, buyers taking me back up here. We're trying to get to around these levels here. 56, 39, 50. Camaria R4. I'm gonna flatten my trade right there. Didn't like that iceberg coming in right there as this big order went off, this big buy order. So you see it's kind of providing resistance. right? So we started off here on the P&L at 3,100. We're now up 33.25 on the paper trade. Trying out a little scalping here with order flow and market structure. Still adhering to my levels and certain VWAPs and stuff. My upper deviations, my +1, +2, +3 VWAP deviations anchored from ETH, the red line ETH. That's European London session, and that's RTH. Dash yellow line is RTH. European session, London session is purple, and the red is ETH session. Those are where those are anchored from. It's already 36 minutes here on this video. Let me see if we have any more opportunities. I'm probably looking right now for a breakout of Camarilla R4 if the buyers are serious. Let's see if we could get a break above this level and probably a retest, and we could go long again and probably try and get back to yesterday's high at 56.4375. So it's going to be somewhat of a breakout of 56.3975 to 56.4375. And let me just switch over here so you can see that. Right, so that yellow line right there, that's Camarilla R4. This was the bull flag I was talking about right there. We had the breakout to the top. We have a little consolidation retest of the breakout right now. We should get a breakout right now, and this is also the POC monthly, that blue line, so we're getting resistance right there. Let's see if sellers are going to take it back down in the range, or we're going to get the breakout up to yesterday's high. All right, so this iceberg is still capping price here. So far it has stopped the bullish move to the upside. This value area high breakout that we took, as soon as this came in, I stopped out, and that was a good idea because kind of keeping down price right now. So got a break above this iceberg, break out from here, and let's see if we could get to yesterday's high. All right, we got a break retest. I think we have some news coming out, or what time is it? It's all right, 1400 hours. So Powell is gonna start speaking. So all right, I'm gonna cut this video off here because there's no way I could scalp while while Powell is speaking. This is gonna get crazy here. All right, y'all, it's Malak Shalomo. Y'all trade safe and stay blessed.